Hello everyone and welcome to my channel magicofoneclick. So today we are going to type 79th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. The new thing in this program is about how to use required attribute. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, body tag, form tag, username, input type equals to text, name equals to username. Once again, input type equals to submit, name equals to submit. Now we'll end form tag, body tag and HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 79 with the extension HTML and in all files. So now let us check the output. HTML folder and 79th program. So this is the basic output. Now we'll click on username and we'll click on submit. It automatically gets reset. So this is the basic output of 79th program. Don't forget to check the text description for the clear and basic understanding.